right. Millie McFlat Williams is back here. He's going down this even harder slide. That's what she said. Look at this. This one has curves. There's only a curve at the end, though. It's only at the end.
Are you gonna push me? Hell no!
Dude. All right, Millie McFlat Williams. You.
Crap. That scared me.
All right, go Millie McFlat Williams. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. You film.
The curve.
You film. I'll do it.
It's the curve. The curve messed me up. See, it's much better if you have it. God damn, bro. Your lighting is.
Huh? No, Joe. What are you doing?
I'm trying to up his lighting because it's hella dark.
Well, you have the sun.
It's the curve that's gonna mess you up, dude. I bet.
Oh, no, I see this. You're right. Oh, my hell.
You gotta do that one. Just because I did it.
All right, I'll do that one instead of this one.
Do that one. Do the long one.
Ready, King? No. I want to see you falling down.
You have to. I did it. Can't see shit. My hands are hella shaky, dude. Hell no!
Joe, just he has the camera. All right.
Alright. I'm ready where you are, when you are. It's hella scary. Huh? Then you do it then.
I went down the steep hill getting here.
I want to see you try. Bruh, I'm traumatized.
I'm doing it right now.
Can you better record in this time?
Well, I'll have Antonio do the curve one. If you like this, I'll have Antonio do the curve one. That is the most scariest thing ever. Here, I'm gonna get an up angle. I'm about to go. No, I'm going. Climbing up.
Really as scary as
Yeah, kind of.
Alright, I'm going.
All right, let's get an up angle. He fell on his pants. Antonio, you gotta do that again. Antonio, you gotta do it again. The camera was turned around. Come on, you have to do it again. Antonio, or else I'll tell your parents to watch these videos.
Do it on the left side.
All right, I'll go then.
I need to put my finger on the
I'll go. You film, okay?
Are you sure it was actually fun? Or are you just trying to make me do it again? If you're just trying to make me... Oh my gosh, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna get another angle. I just ate dirt. My back ate dirt.
I'm about to eat pillow.
Sunday. My back is dead. Sorry, I had my hand. The camera was flipped. Just kidding. I accidentally had my hand over it. I accidentally had my hand over the camera. Yeah, so do I, because my back is... Oh,